channel. Today we will be making pichi or cassava rice cake. We will be needing the following ingredients: 2 cups of grated cassava, 1 cup of sugar, and we will be using mineral water like 2.5 or 2 1/4 cups. We will be using 1/2 teaspoon of lye water and a drop of buko pandan flavoring just to add taste and color too. And we will also need grated coconut to roll our pichi or cassava rice cake later on to it. Okay, we will just put all of our ingredients in the bowl and mix them all together. Of course, except our grated coconut, because we will be using that on the last part. Okay, we will open the lye water and put in 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, we will mix this well. Because we want all of the sugar to be dissolved well. Okay, now that it's mixed well, we will put this in our baking pan and we will steam it inside the oven. The trick there is by putting water on the first pan, and then we put on top of it our pichi or cassava rice cake, so there will be like a steaming effect inside the oven. Okay, now we will pour in our mixture here. Okay, we will pour our mixture on the baking tray. You just want to divide everything equally. Okay, we want to give it space because when it's cooked already, to 350. We will preheat it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will steam bake our pichi or cassava rice, cassava cake for like 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, we will put in water on the first tray. So this will act like a steaming effect on the oven. We will preheat it to 350 again for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will steam bake our pichi or cassava rice cake. Now that our pichi is cold already, we will remove it in the pan and transfer it to a plate. Now we will sprinkle our pichi or cassava rice cake with grated coconut on top of it. You have it. Here is our cassava rice cake or pichi in Tagalog. Now it's time to taste. Okay, let's taste it. Delicious. You can really taste the cassava. Once again, thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please like and share too. And see you for more of our videos. Also, you can leave a comment below for any recipes that you would like us to feature on this channel. Once again, thank you and be safe. Bye.